Welcome to Imperial College London, where engineering meets creativity and entrepreneurship.
We are thrilled to introduce our groundbreaking new MSc program in Design Engineering.
My name is Shaham Sharifi, and I'm a Principal Teaching Fellow in Design Engineering.
And I'm Céline Mougenot, a Senior Lecturer in Collaborative Design.
In a world evolving at an unprecedented pace, the intersection of design and engineering is where the future takes shape. Our program is designed to equip you with the skills to drive innovation, solve complex problems, and shape the world around us.
Led by a team of experts and in collaboration with our industry leaders, our dynamic curriculum integrates design mindset and tools with engineering principles. You'll be immersed in real-world projects, gaining hands-on experience that goes beyond traditional academic boundaries.
Collaboration is at the core of our program. You'll work side by side with fellow students from diverse backgrounds, fostering a dynamic and inclusive learning environment.
Our alumni are making waves in the industry, driving change and pushing boundaries. With our Masters in Design Engineering, you'll join a community of forward thinkers and entrepreneurs, ready to make a meaningful impact on the world.
Are you ready to redefine the future? Join us at the Dyson School of Design Engineering and be part of the next generation of design engineers.
Apply now and let your journey begin.